Welcome to this tutorial on Axie Infinity Axie Stats Explanation. In Axie Infinity, each Axie has a unique set of stats that determine its strength and abilities in battle. Understanding these stats is crucial to building a strong team and winning battles. First, let's start with the 6 main stats in Axie Infinity: health, morale, skill, speed, attack, and defense. Health represents the Axie's hit points. Morale affects its ability to use cards. Skill determines the effectiveness of its cards. Speed influences the order of turns. Attack is the Axie's damage output, and defense reduces the damage it takes. Each Axie has a base stat value for each of these stats, which can be increased through breeding and leveling up. The higher the stat value, the stronger the Axie will be in that particular area. For example, an Axie with high health will be more resistant to damage, while an Axie with high attack will deal more damage to its opponents. In addition to the main stats, Axies also have cards that determine their abilities in battle. Cards can be used to attack, defend, or apply status effects to opponents. The effectiveness of a card is determined by the Axie's skill stat, so Axies with high skill will be more effective at using their cards. When building a team, it's essential to consider the stats and cards of each Axie and how they work together. A well-rounded team should have a balance of health, attack, and defense, as well as a good mix of cards to adapt to different situations. To illustrate this, let's consider an example. Suppose we have an Axie with high health and defense, but low attack. This Axie would be ideal for tanking damage and protecting its teammates, but it would not be effective at dealing damage. To complement this Axie, we could pair it with an Axie that has high attack and skill, allowing it to deal significant damage while the tank Axie absorbs the damage. In conclusion, understanding Axie stats is vital to success in Axie Infinity. By knowing how each stat affects an Axie's abilities and building a well-rounded team, you can increase your chances of winning battles and becoming a top player. Remember to consider the strengths and weaknesses of each Axie and how they work together to create a formidable team.